Today I'm going to show you a passing chord in the key of F that will take you from the 6 or the 1 to the 4, right? So normally in the key of F, you're playing the 1 and you want to get to the 4, you would normally play R, right? I'm going to show you a more expanded way to play this. So let's say we're playing the 1. The passing chord I'm going to show you is this. So this will take you to the 4. Alright, so let's break that down. So my right hand is playing this. My thumb is playing both the A and B. Right? And my left hand would play. But if you have a bass player playing with, you don't need to play the F, we can just play the E flat, right? So in context, we can even go from the 6 and guys, so the 6 is basically this. Because I know many people would have wanted to know what that 6 is. So my right hand is playing this. My left hand is playing this. It's essentially this if you have shorter hands. Right? So from the 6 and we're going to the 4. And my 4 is this. So the right hand would be playing this. Right? Left hand would play this. And it gives you this sound. From the 6. And this is the 2. So the right hand plays this chord and the left hand plays this. You get this sound. And you may have noticed earlier I did a little passing riff that took me back to the 6 in the intro. So that would be, in the left hand, it starts from the E, right? E is going down a semitone. When I hit the D, that's when the right hand comes in. The right hand will be playing and the left hand has that. So what happens next is this will be going down a semitone along with the left hand. You can also slide from the C sharp to the D in the left hand. So together. Okay, so I didn't slide from the C sharp to the D. I just went full. So that's a little riff you can do to take you to the 6 in F, right? You could also do I think I showed you this in one of my previous videos. So this is a chord that can work for either the 7 or the 3. A bit of a stretch. So for the 7, also a passing chord that will take you to the 6. So right hand plays this. Right? and the left hand will play this. And if it cannot stretch, we can always revoice this to play. Same thing. You can even add this note. You could even experiment with other notes and see what makes sense. So it's the same thing as this. Cool? And another popular riff you may have known, sometimes I do it. Right? That's also a little movement that can take you to the 6. So let's break that down. So the right hand is basically playing this. Right? So it's pretty simple. But at the moment when you hit this, that's when the left hand comes in. And this is basically a 3 chord. A 3 chord. So the left hand is playing this. My thumb is playing both the F and G. And then it can resolve on the 6. The left hand is playing this. Alright, so what else can we do as a passing chord to take us to the 6? Let's try. So we can do that as well. So this is the chord. The right hand. And the pinky finger moves. You can use the sustain pedal, the assist. Right? And the left hand plays this. The second one. So right hand plays this. Left hand plays. And then you resolve on the 6. R, which is basically the B that gives you that sound. That's just something a bit fancy that you can add. So we're still on the 6. So that's right hand. Left hand. Cool. If you like this video and you want to see more, I have another video for you. Check it out.